Long ago, animals did not yet have the unique sound they have today. They all spoke the same language. This is the story of how each animal began to have its own special voice. One afternoon, all the animals gathered, led by the lion, the king of the jungle.
Okay, my friends, I gathered you here because I have something to announce from the forest fairy. Yesterday, the queen of the forest fairy came to me. She said,
"Oh, lion, please deliver this message to the other creatures. I want every animal to create its own language. I want each of them to have a unique sound. Whoever succeeds will receive a gift."
"A new language? Very well. I will tell the Earth's fairy queen. But please give us 1 week to practice."
"All right, I will return in 1 week."
Thank you, forest fairy. So that's how it is, friends. I ask each of you to create your own language.
Does that mean we won't be able to talk like this anymore?
Not like that. We can still talk normally, but each of you will also have your own special language, your own sound.
Oh, this is exciting. I will work to create a unique sound.
Me too. I want to lose to anyone.
Good, everyone. Practice diligently. We'll meet again here next week.
Yes, King. Ha
Why should I practice hard? I'll prove that I can create a unique sound in no time.
Oh, Parrot, don't be so arrogant. You better start practicing now.
And so the animals began to practice creating their special sound. They trained seriously for an entire week, waiting to show their best to the forest fairy. But not all of them practiced, especially the parrot.
Hey, goat!
Oh, hi, Parrot.
Are you practicing, goat? Can I hear the result of your training?
Of course, Parrot. I'd be happy to. Stand carefully. What's so funny, Parrot?
It's hilarious. You're better trying harder. You don't seem to be improving at all. Ah, there's Pig. I want to hear his voice. Hi, Pig. Can I hear what you've been practicing?
Sure, Parrot.
The voice is so funny.
Funny, I thought my voice sounded beautiful.
It sounds like snoring.
Oh, whatever. You only how now to these others. What about you, Parrot? You're not practicing at the all.
Huh? I don't need practice. I'm a genius.
And so the parrot spent his days teasing others and he mocked everyone, while he himself refused to practice. And soon, 1 week had passed, all the animals gathering again to show their result.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Me too.
The forest fairy is here. It seems all of you have gathered. Now, I want to hear the results of your training. Hmm. Who wants to go first? Yes. Let the lion go first, as the king of the jungle.
Alright, Fairy, I'll begin.
Wow, your voice is amazing, Lion.
You really deserve to be king.
Very good, lion. From now on, let's show your unique sound. Who wants to go next?
Me for real.
So the performance began. Stepped forward confidently, followed by goat, then elephant.
Wonderful! All of you did well. Now, Parrot, what about you? How is your training?
My training? Well. Oh no. Why did the week pass so quickly? I didn't practice at all. This is my sound. I hope you like it, Fairy.
Hey, that's my voice.
Right. This one is my real sound.
Hey, that's my voice.
It seems you did not practice this whole week. I know you were too busy laughing at and mocking others.
I'm so sorry. I thought I had more time. So
Enough. You will still receive a sound as your gift. But as a legend, your voice will always copy the voices of other animals. And because of that, you will be loved at forever.
And since then, parrots have always copied every sound they hear. That is always they are known as the great imitator.
The moral of this story is never underestimate even the smallest task, especially when it's your responsibility. Always give your best effort in everything you do.